In front of me is Oppo Reno 12F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off a location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then to disable location, select Close in No Location Access pop-up and go back to Tab menu. So when I do that, as you can see, location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Location Services to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!